How to solve root 2x minus 1, which is equal to 3. First, square both sides. Root 2x minus 1 square, which is equal to 3 square, which means root 2x minus 1 square means that simply 2x minus 1, which is equal to 3 square, is 9. Then 2x which is equal to 9 plus 1, 2x which is equal to 10. 2x which is equal to 10 over 2 over 2x, which is equal to 5. Check it. This root 2x minus 1, which is equal to 3. Then x is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 1, which is equal to root 9. Root 9 means that's 3. The base, which is 3 over 4, is base, and this is the exponent. Therefore, change into in the same base. That means 3 over 4 to the power of x minus 3, which is equal to 4 square over 9 means 3 square, which is equal to 4 over 3 the whole square. Therefore, 3 over 4 or x minus 3. Now the bases are reciprocal, so which is equal to 3 over 4 x minus 3, but which is 4 over 3, therefore change into 3 over 4. Now the two bases are the same, but the exponent is multiplied by negative, therefore minus 2, because of a over b to the power of n, which is equal to always the same as b over a to the power of what? Minus n. የሚጠቅመን ከሆነ a over b የነበረውን b over a ማድረግ ይቻላል። ነገር ግን ኤክስፖነንቱ በኔጌቲቭ እናበዛዋለን። now next, the two bases are the same, therefore cancel out. The exponent part is x minus 3, which is equal to minus 2. X which is equal to minus 2, which is minus 3. The right side of equal sign, minus 3 is changed to plus 3. X which is equal to minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Therefore, the value of x is 1, which is the two terms are the same. Check it. 1. X is 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, which means over 4 to the power of minus 2. 4 over 3 to the power of minus 2 is changed to positive 2, which is equal to 16 over 9. 16 over 9 equal to 1. Thank you.